At Walter, we deal every day with the question, how can we help our customers make their processes more efficient? More speed, digitized processes, a well-thought-out solution. Walter Xpress is the smart solution for special tools with unbeatably short delivery times. The advantages are convincing, the application is efficient, the ordering process is easy and intuitive. When manufacturing a special tool, Walter shows what engineering competence means. The timing is impressive, and the result speaks for itself. Walter Xpress, the smart solution for special tools with unbeatably short delivery times.